Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from Velocity Europe in London. I'm with Chris Anderson. Chris, how you doing?
Doing great. This is a great conference to be at today.
Great. So are the conversations you're having in your booth, are they good? Are they fruitful?
It's a lot of fun. So we have a long history with ops people loving our database, and they sell it to the developers for us. So this DevOps world is right at home for us.
So let me ask you, why do the DevOps people love Couchbase? What's going on there?
Well, we have a very reliable storage architecture, which means they don't have to think as hard about the edge cases. It's a lot easier to recover if something does go wrong, and most of the time things don't go wrong.
Okay, so where are you guys going to be taking Couchbase in the near-term future, or have you done anything new recently? Or
we've got big news right now. The news is that our 2.0 beta release was just last week, and that moves us into a new category. So in the past we've been a key value store and been loved for that use case, but we want to expand the available use cases. So now we're a document database, which I think is the wave of the future. I think developers are moving more and more to document databases.
Okay, and that's in your 2.0 release?
Yeah, so that's sort of an ongoing process. We're very serious about software quality, so we're in beta right now, and the actual release will be in a few weeks as we really push it through our testing process.
Okay, so this is the NoSQL type movement here?
That's right. People like to use our technology because it used to be in the past the first day of a project was let's all stare at the whiteboard and draw circles and arrows, and now the first day of the project is let's get some big data and put it somewhere and pull some value out of it.
Excellent. So Google recently wrote an article on NewSQL instead of NoSQL, the kind of a twist, and they were talking about their spanner technology. Do you have any thoughts about that?
So the difference between SQL and NoSQL, there's kind of, on one hand, NoSQL allows you to do some scaling that's an uphill battle with SQL. And the big difference is SQL supports these complex transactions with rollback, and typically NoSQL is more of a key value type operation with some queryability. And these key value operations are much easier to scale, much easier to make reliable and make worldwide. So I feel like Google is going to have an uphill battle getting Spanner to perform the way that a memory-based NoSQL database can perform.
Although I would never count Google. Google will be able to do it, but will other people be able to do it, I guess is the question, right?
Right, and what are the trade-offs they're making? And they're explicit that some of the trade-offs are they're sacrificing some performance for some developer friendliness.
Yeah, excellent. Chris, hope to see you at the next conference.
Yeah, thanks for the talk.
Thanks.